Hello viewers, Mami Mapao ngasigi humputara marirak shuba episode sida pumna maputaram okcheri amadi ikoknona kurumjeri. Loina na mamang episode kidamakta thambirakiba feedback amadi suggestions singidamakta supumna mapu hainingai leitana thagata photokcheri. Ngasigi episode sida kari karma pau sing puzarakibagi haibadu thamjege. Aham oina thamjeri Manipur short film Chara Amana Australia na pangthokiba My Rod Reel Short Film Competition 2019 gi Indian round my paklakibagi paudam. Ani shub asina Pay the Umbrella na tarit lagshuba Brahmaputra Valley Short Film Festival 2019 da Best Short Film gi mana lawang ngamlakibagi mapaun. Manipuri web series Nura Bibu Brazil gi Rio de Janeiro da pangthokadoriba Rio Web Fest 2019 da Best Thriller gi damakta nominate tawrakibagi mapauna ahum subura thamjeri. Tara taruk shuba Manipuri matam isai numit pangthokibagi paudamna mari shubura thamjeri. Hauji kanna chathariba mari rak shuba maitai chanu sakhembi changdamnabagi mapauna manga subo oine thamjeri. Taruk shuba sina Siroi Lily Festival gi manung chana pangthokadoriba Miss Lily gi promotional package launch tawkibagi paudamni. Taret shuba amadi aroib oina thamjeriba asina HBS Ground Patsoi gi Ultra EDM saruk yaba lakhiba DJ Sodaga akhanana unarubagi paudam. So folks, ngasig ahan oina thamjeriba Chandam Lawrence ki Chara ama haini mithonba Manipuri short film na Australia na pangthokiba My Rod Reel Short Film Competition 2019 gi Indian round da winner oira kibagi paudam asi the winner.
Chi da mapu.
Baba challe se thenge.
Chi da mapu. Ai khoi bu thau jan bi ko. Chalo.
Chandam Lawrence ki Chara ama haina mingthonba short film na Australia da pangthokiba My Rod Reel Short Film Competition 2019 gi Indian round winner oiba ngamlakrei minute ahum gi short film ase loktak pata saidang duna taibang punsi kumha yawna balak na riba ngami amagi punsi warida yumpham oiduna pankat film nei panba yabade malem gi tongan balebak singdagi film lishing ama chatruk marifu mukamade India khakta dagi punna film chama hum pudipana saruk yari ba changdam na basida iram damasigi lehaw da irei chana semjaba short film masina mana asi fang ngamlakibani.
I mean Lawrence Chandam I visual effects artist more in New Zealand chahi tara in thoktorada adagi adi tholaga sida ai sai company am hangjabani first class koba ai gai gi partner dini long mai ga toga khoi sai production company am hangjabani sina khoi gi aham film mai ta khoi atai project tawre Manipur government gi tourism gi adu sina khoi gi sa gi aham challenges the mainly akoina nam base ising the nam na pot the nam ne ko akoya du challenges yam lagi and akoyi actors is a child actor ne ko manage to ba ko adi more ngang the attention span the man na more the direct to se kallo yi haita aduga kano ising the nam sina board se ki ba pot pa dagi akoy talent mana to chat pa yada ba ko board am the phamaga atoba bota nam adu mai challenges khalu adi short am the thadari matam je I am kuye ba I di perfect ba everything from composition framing of the horaga akoy post production ba machim pixel amam yang to ne ba aduga swaidana kitang process kitang thuna ba tawe hai ta ba ada chang matam na thadar matam ba yam hen ba ine ba adu main difference to go
sigi short films yaw se hai se bani se plan dit to leiba abi company amana ke dune organize to rokta di yaw ya di adu no ma de ina ke sa browse ke ka to da na dum thena ki ne ba plus bani na plan to chena le ram do ga uziki sabsana uziki competition la ko do ga pulla ga bani plan out to ga sinam ma se na hana nam ki ba si video so tiki loktak to nam ma matam da adi lumsit to na khum ma ga board myam se stable oi ga do ba short myam se musin na khum mane na pai re sakiba adu da ko gi loktak ki ahan sing na mai yam help to bi ko loktak ta lai ba myam da na ai nam mi ngai da di mo kang chiklak pa ga ai adu mi to long pen jo hap te ba hap ten hap kang chik pa adu plus kang chik pu su humbi yadu somne sort of phangdi pawdi nampuda khana ke do tawne ba nam bane do angang su hadi whole day namak pane na work pane na ke sa last loyam da the expression pi bangam da ba plus ma zo professional oina la adi phaba aju na tam ne na khung ge hoi ngang du da thien na ga nampuda ke to han ne na ma zo wara ga ke do hadi hoi da problem create ke na number phangoi dra na pakhat do ma ka phang na
angang se puthok pud angang amadi pa me angang se kano tawde kamai tawsige na Lawrence na hai je hai adida aina ai isa nu pa se yagadra yeng se adubu amtang yeng se hai adama gi de sumaina kano tawse ngangna yada bise Lawrence na as adudi kamai tawsige de mata e lai ga si yeng simai hai ga dam simai hai ga dam ne mana phone se camera se phone se pa hele ada phone se pa helaga ma se game sanare si phone se pi doi ne nang dialogue se hayo na thema hai badagi ma se phone se pam badagi ma se loi dialogue se loi hai dogre pha dogre
Ibua, akhoi na nga pharai se kayang khoi de khambra.
Ba, koina nga phari se pong ama phaji.
Aina ihan han nga pha bala ki bedo na khoi pu pu gani. Nangwandagi bi hena pilam ki yani ai. Matam du da di nga su yam na lere.
Baba nga si nga phadi umda tunga chani hai gini ko. Nga phama le. Nga phale! Nga phale! Nga phale, nga phale, nga phale! Tunga chasi ra ya da chasi ra.
Hoi da hoi. Namana pamba do tau jira sa.
Nga chani ni nga do ko nga phai.
nakhoi gi mama se nakhoi na nga pharaga purak pado nga sai de gi ngai ribe
Baba na di nga si nga se yolaro hai kimni.
ibungo yumda thongna ba sing di leitraga nga thongaga charaga kari tawga dori bano
Congratulations Team Chara ama iramdam asigi chok thok chani ngai ni makha tarak padasu adumak mai papa soidan oibiu haina thamjari Hawjik ngasigi ani Mami Mapao pe the umbrella haina mingthon ba Manipuri soft film na Tarik Lakshuba Brahmaputra Valley Short Film Festival 2019 da Best Soft Film tarik tu na iramdam gi mai purakhiba gi paudam asi amu langmina
Rakesh Moirang Tengi Lamjing Lamtak Makada Puthukwa Pe The Umbrella had a short film Masina Tare Laksuba Brahmaputra Valley Short Film Festival 2019 gi winner Oibangamla Craig Haukibu September Kunturtu Kunmapan Pabu Guwahati gi Pragyoti ITS Center da Pangtokiba Short Film Festival Asida Iramdamasi Goina Rakesh Moirang Tengi Pe Subas Ilangdungi Love Overcomes Evil Lamade Tokchom Zimi gi Time Bomb Puna Short Film Obumna Saruk Yarubada Pe The Umbrella na Lemjeningai Orba Best Short Film gi Bana Ase Pangmagamla Kibane
Rakesh Moirangthem pay the umbrella all the way from Manipur. A big round of applause for them. Congratulations, Rakesh. A cash prize of $1 lakh, a trophy and a certificate and memories for a lifetime.
Oja Rakesh Moirangthem amadi mahaki team da sumai pakpa sige damakta nungai ba fongdok cheri idai cha singi chok thok chani ngai handak ki asima sumai pakpa gi paudam ni nominasi Manipuri web series Nurabi the version bu Brazil da pangthok kadori ba Rio Web Fest 2019 gi best trailer category gi damakta nominate tawra khibe gi paudam
Nuravi The Version Hanamington Manipur web series pu Brazil gi Rio de Janeiro de Lakli November taramanga de gitara nipan fo pangto kodoriba Rio Web Fest 2019 gi best trailer category gi namak nominate torokre Momocha Kontozang wari the Joy Chan Moirang Ten Lamjing Lamtak tor pankat po web series sida Denuf Mary Pinky Mangalaima Prinalini Atila Madi Vidya Lakshmi na Mamiro Singoy na saktam langli
Nurabigi timbusu congratulate tawzari iramdam asigi mai pakpani haina thamjari amadi web series asida saru yabiri ba mamiroi singbu mai pakpa asigi nungaiba pumna makki mafamda share tawzari loina na web fest asida Nurabina soidana mai pakpa oiduna iramdam gi mingchat makhatana purak pangambu oirasu haina thamjari Hauji makata thazarak pu oina tara taruk lakshuba Manipuri matam isai numit mai pakna amadi mapung fana pangthokhi bagi paudam asi amu mitning tami
Tarataruk suba Manipuri matam isai numit haukiba September kun mapan namati kun trada numit nini chupna apun ba Manipur matam isai kanglup amikna sinura pangthokre Haudokpugi thoramda amiki advisor Professor PhD Boyana Sharma amade President S Tejendra Saknairba Sairengba Rajendra Okrama amade ISBS ki proprietor H Vikramjit kaloina maming lerba saisak pi saisakpa isai bu pamjaba miyoi kyana saruyaki
Manipur matam isai numit asi tarurak suba Manipur ki matam isai ni koi Manipur sarkar na matam amagi koi ki art and culture minister viramba honorable koi ki minister kanona koi ki parijana maina koi ki matam isai numit na ma ki matam da longthok piram badu ki horaga koi na sum mathang nai na pangthok sarpani adu luba sidi sahi ni phuma thoi suraba yamna kuiraba ahan singi pathang sum chatharakwa lireba matam isai ki organization ni Handak pangthok seriba thoramase koi matam isai ki di numit ni celebration ni adubu aikoina thim mama yaurga pangthok sei maramdi apunba Manipur matam isai kanglu habeje Manipur apunbagi kanglu phuru punumaki punbam platform ni aduna Manipur ki tongan ba lairiba phuru kanglu sing loina bak mukoi ki matam isai sing utpa ya bagi khudong sa badu leigani aduna mase integration the base tauba punna hingminasi punna isai sangminasi punna chakhonminasi haiba adungba thimda pangthokpa khoi ki matam isai ki celebration ni
Lamphel Patalebe Indian Medical Association IMA gi auditorium da chinglem laba thauram maga loina na haudok tu na pangthoki ba thauram da iram damasida khundari ba phuruk kaya gi isai nomai gi thauram sing pangthoki
Asiguma thoram asina iramdam asida emotional integrity purakpada soidina makki mateng oigani haina lawzai amikna thambiriba apunba Manipur haibadu lengdaba orisanu haina thamjabaga loinana matanga swaida atema break amakhak lawzana begi tancha du lawzage khonglai yang hanjarake impact tv bu me intaduna le Welcome back adom ni miing tabiri ba si Impact TV sandok chari ba Mami Mapao ni break ki matung asida Mami Mapao gi humpuga tara marirak shuba episode sibu miing tabiri ba pumna magpu amuka hana taram dok chari hawji makha taba Mapao on lokha chari ba maitai chanu beauty pageant ki manung chen na pangthokhi ba tonga ma thoram kiya gi paudam asi amu lawi yari re rei ha yari
Lainingthau Sanamai Sanapung LSSP na sinduna pangthokliba marirak suba maitai chanu sa henbe changdam na manung channa laifam len chatpa wakhalol phongdokpa madi u thabi thoram sing pangthokre laifam chatpa ki thoram hauke ba September 18 da wangoi de leiba Lainingthau Sanamai gi sanglen da pangthokki ngasi gi oidiba kanglei khunai gi phiba masida nupi sing gi thodang haiba hira masida wakhalol phongdokpa gi thoram September 13 da pangthokki u thabi gi thoram na maitai amadi u gi Maihorolda Lena Raklaba Maribu Matam Chupa the Ningsing to the Lina and Abamade, Mausagi people Mungak to the Tamnan Nabigi Pandam Galoina, October Anida, Gongbo Maru, Life from Len the Pangtoki.
Lainingthau Sanamai Sanapung LSSP na Sinbiduna, Pangtok Piriba, Changdam Naba Sigi, Igi Ngam Ngak Naba Pandam Soydin Mapung Fabu Oirusan Hana Tamjeri. Matangi Tamzeriba, Siri Lily Festival gi Saruk Amo Oina Pangtokadoriba, Miss Siroigi promotional package launch Tokibagi Powdam Asimu, be income.
Siri Lily Festival 2019 di Manung Chana Pangtok kada Miss Lily 2019 di social media promotional film na di publicity package IGP IK Muivana launch tokre October 13 kita mapan Fabo Urkul da Pangtok kada festival siga Marilene na Pangtok kada riba beauty pageant siga package launch tobuk thoramado organizing committee Miss Lily 2019 na senduna Jingmairong da leba classic grande da hauke September 13 ta Pangtok kibane wafam amana Subtitle Mapal Lega the Changdam Nava Sigi overall winner ki title Logo Miss Lily first runners up amadi second runners up ta Mathang Sina Lupa Lak Ahum Ani amadi Amagi Oiba Selgi Manasing Pigadori
Malayam da amatangay bi Siri Lily gi festival amadi masigi manung chana pangthokadoriba Miss Lily bu mapung fana apan da yaudana pangthokpu oibiu haina thamcheri Hojik ngasigi taret suba amadi aroiba pao oina thamjeriba DJ Sodaga Mami Mapao team ga akhanana unarubagi powdam asimu lawu
Actually, adom na yung si Impact TV ki Mami Mapao niya gaming dancing aduga ngasi adom na ko na hanjagadori ba artist ati ko gi internationally mayam na sakhang na ba one of the most beautiful hair sa yari ko aduga hayeng October 4 SBS ground pat soida ultra EDM impal hai ba event sida showstopper why na party mayam na ngai na riba artist adu DJ soda hai ba Mayam na fan following documenting later about makalaman niya si Mayam. Welcome DJ Soda to Nepal.
Love you.
And so first of all, how was your flight?
투어를 지금 월드 투어를 하고 있거든요. 월드 투어를 하고 있는데 이제 중간 정도가 됐는데 몸이 너무 안 좋아져가지고 비행기에서 토를 했어요. 그래서 좀 되게 건강이 좀 안 좋은 상태인데 그래도 여기 와서 따뜻한 햇살을 맞으니까 너무 기분이 좋아졌어요.
She was actually felt she had a really bad condition because it's in her middle of her tour right now. So she actually vomited on a plane. But even though she felt really bad today, she's really having a good time because there's a lot of fans are greeting her, and also the weather is so nice outside.
Yeah.
So she's really having a great time here.
Okay, well, thank you so much, and we hope that you get well very soon so that you can have a blast performance tomorrow. And talking about the tour, so you are in a tour right now. So from where did you come, and after this, what is your next place or the spot that you're going to perform?
마닐라를 시작해서 싱가포르, 호주, 그리고 한국, 그리고 이제 인도에 오게 되었어요. 그리고 그 다음은 미국, 암스테르담, 캐나다, 라오스가 남아 있어요. 많이 기대해 주세요.
So she's been starting from Manila, Philippines, then Singapore, Sydney, Australia, Melbourne, and then Korea, and then she came back. She just went here in India as well. And after India, we're planning to visit LA, Amsterdam, also Vancouver in Canada, Laos, and all other different countries she's planning to go.
Thank you so much for coming to Imphal, first of all, for choosing Imphal in India to perform on your tour. And I just like to say that apart from your popularity, you're also doing your YouTube channel also, where you're showing people the stuff that you eat, you enjoy eating, that we saw that. So are you planning for such things in Imphal? Audience know, our viewers know that, like that eating thing, because you know, apart from all the other places that you go, you're also going to find the most delicious kind of food in Imphal.
네, 당연하죠. 저는 원래 새로운 나라에서 새로운 맛을 도전해보는 것을 되게 좋아해서 임팔에서도 먹방을 찍을 예정입니다.
Yes, she said definitely she would love to visit the great restaurants in Imphal because she really loves to try all different kinds of food in different countries. So definitely Imphal will be a great place and country to actually try really great food.
Starting your career from very young age, who was your inspiration, like the artist that you inspired the most? And who is your favorite DJ artist?
좋아하는 DJ가 너무 많은데 최근에는 돈 디아블로를 엄청 좋아하게 됐어요. 그의 하우스 장르에 빠져들어서 최근에는 돈 디아블로를 제일 좋아하는 것 같아요.
There are a lot of different DJs that she are interested in listening to and love, but recently she's really interested in listening to Don Diablo's music, like a genre of house.
Okay.
So yeah, she's really
House music.
House music.
Really nice.
So her favorite DJ from now on will be Don Diablo.
I hope all the people who is watching this will subscribe to her channel. Also check out the music that she loves. So we are expecting a lot tomorrow from you. So can you give us a little bit hint at what you're going to play tomorrow night?
제 신곡들을 많이 보여드릴 예정이에요. 그래서 그 신곡들로 제가 직접 노래도 할 건데 많이 기대해 주세요.
She said she's gonna play a lot of new songs that she's been releasing recently. So she's gonna play her new songs, and then yeah, she said just
Okay, the best of her collections, maybe, right?
best of her collection, and then she also recently released her new song, so
Okay.
that'll be also played at the show.
Oh, that's very exciting because everyone here, we are very lucky to listen to her latest release songs. I think we are going to enjoy tomorrow night for sure. And I'd like to say one thing, that is that we the Manipuris here, the youths, they love to watch Korean serials, Korean movies. They are inspired by them. They're inspired by you. They're inspired by all the actors, actresses. So like some of the bands are there, like people here, they're really crazy about Blackpink.
Yeah.
And then K-pop artists. So who is your favorite band?
Twice,
Twice. Okay.
Twice and Blackpink.
Blackpink. Wow.
And
I love Blackpink too.
yeah,
And who is your favorite one from Blackpink? Can you pick one?
제니?
Jenny. Wow. That she's really beautiful. My favorite is Lisa.
Yeah.
I love Lisa, and I think you resemble a little bit to Lisa also. And have you heard? I love videos also, like everything about them. If I don't ask this, my viewers are gonna kill me because you are one of the fashion icon also. So, what do you love to wear the most? And then, what is your fashion inspiration? How do you look so beautiful? What is tips that you want to give for beauty tips and fashion tips?
저는 항상 조던을 신고서 그 조던 색깔에 의상 색깔을 매치하는 편이에요. 제가 구두를 잘 안 신거든요. 구두는 1년에 한두 번 신는데 그래서 스포티한 아이템을 하나로 전체적으로 매치시키는 편이에요.
So she has her Jordan shoes, and then she loves to like match with her Jordan shoes with her outfit all through the day. So yeah, she doesn't really enjoy like having her high heels.
Okay.
It's gonna be like 1 or 2 times a year. So she really loves to like have some like Jordan and then Jordan shoes with the matching outfits.
Matching outfits.
Yeah.
You mostly wear, I see, the bright colors, the bright ones, right? It's really matches. Yeah. So fashion tips is that buy a Jordan shoe. You have to buy Jordan shoes and match with that. You look like DJ Soda, not like her, but like you can follow her fashion. One last thing, I want you to promise us that you're going to come back to Infal again after this performance in the next tour maybe. So can you and also I would like you to say something to our viewers, like what you are expecting tomorrow, and just a little bit encouragement from them that come and see the tour tomorrow, like that kind of a message.
제가 인도에 너무너무 가고 싶어서 벨리 댄스도 열심히 배웠어요. 근데 그 첫 시작을 임팔에서 함께 하게 되어서 너무너무 행복해요. 그럼 모두 내일 만나요. 안녕!
She actually practiced her belly dance.
Okay.
And she was really excited to come to Info and show it to the fans in Info. So she said, she said, well, let's see you tomorrow, and then maybe we could meet tomorrow with the great show.
Christine, thank you so much for translating us, and DJ Soda once again, thank you so much for coming to Infal, and also enjoy and have the best food that you can eat.
Oh, recommend.
Yeah. Alright. So thank you so much. That was DJ Soda nagriga matam bibigida mata dukmatik thagat chari duga hayengi SVS ground pass so sida suksu shoden lakbiyo ina paji bus ticket akogi complimentary ticket ne hayengi ticket ki mayam so ana pajaga degi ticket se lobiraga DJ Soda ki performance se yengbiyo aduna this is your host and cameraman Taton. Thank you so much for watching Mami Mapao. So thank you so much for that first.
Thank you so much.
Now selfie time.
That's all we have for you in this 74th episode of Mami Mapao. Hope you enjoyed it. And before we wind up, iramdam asida, kari karam upcoming entertainment events in near future asida laibage haibadu paudam charange. Ahanda oina, October 5th, Thangjam Nimitta, Bota Oja Sudhir Kangjamgi, Manipuri feature film, Khurai Angaubi, released Tawgudawi. October 6th, Nomaizing Nimitana, first MRG Banquet Holder, Miss Ku 2019 audition Pangtokadawi. October 13th, the grand finale Pangtokadawi by Beauty Pageant, Face of Radiant Anobo audition date, October 7th. Hari basing si kangan jabagaloy na ngasig oy nadi pumnamakta gi kaini na begyathang matang suway da lawzagi adumak po ay kagi channel na sibi YouTube ta subscribe ta widuna adongi mamal yam na ba feedback amid the suggestions and comment ta wibari so na makikaw wigano. See you at the next episode. Until then, have a great time. Bye.